Yeah, my name's Matt Gibbins. I am owner-operator of Gibbins Plumbing Electric in Bracebridge, Ontario. We work a lot of the cottage country, running the lakes, a lot of rural properties where we're not overly reliant on municipal water supply or discharge. So therefore we get into a lot of pumps for bringing water in and getting water away. We've been using Liberty Pump products for close to 20 years. From converting from Hydromatic to Liberty, we have had zero issues with the Liberty pumps. The 2 horsepower Omnivore is a very common pump we'll install, as well as the 1 horsepower. I forget the name of the 1 horsepower, but the 1 horsepower grinder. When we're facing challenges of considerable head lift, and we run in boathouses where we have to pump up hills to reach the septic tank, and we've had zero issues achieving those. The fact that we've had no issues with the Liberty pumps, I think, stands out in itself. We don't have any callbacks. Sometimes too, when we shut cottages down, I mean, there's a receiver pit that's been pumped down and a pump's been stagnant all winter long, and we have to start up in the spring. And I've had other models want to seize up, and we've had to pull them and kind of help them get started, where we've had zero issues with Liberty pumps. The fact that it was very protective of its employees and made for safe work environment and the quality control. We're just seeing the testing, processing, and the assembly lines that you guys have set out is just made for minimal chance for error, I would say.